If you starting a lock journey, I have some budget-friendly lock essentials that I found at the Dollar Tree that will help you greatly in your journey. Stay tuned. So the first thing that I found was these do-rags. I love these do-rags. They are satin do-rags at the Dollar Tree. And you just can use these whenever you go into bed. Just throw on your do-rag. And that keeps the hair from going all over the place and keep it protected. And also when your locks start growing out, you can also continue to use the do-rag. So the do-rag is a very good product to buy at the Dollar Tree. And then I also found some oil. It's some hair growth oil that you can get at the Dollar Tree. You're going to also need this when starting your starter locks, and you just want to place it at the scalp of your hair. And you want to do this maybe every other day. And also when your hair start growing out, your locks start getting longer, you also can use the same oil if you like, or you can upgrade to a different type of oil. But these are just some essentials that I found at the Dollar Tree that we're talking about today. So if you want to get like some black castor oil, that'll be great, as well as a great oil that you can apply to your scalp. The next thing you want to get is some hair ties that we found at the Dollar Tree as well. And you literally just gonna need these to kind of keep your hair out the way, especially whenever you're getting like a haircut or anything like that, or if you're playing basketball or you just want the hair out your way. Next thing we got is a brush, and this is a very, very good brush at the Dollar Tree, and you can use this to like brush the sides of your hair before getting a haircut, or whenever you just want that hair smooth on the side. And then this is a shampoo brush, and you can use this shampoo brush as a shampoo brush, or also use it as a scalp massager. So when your locks are growing and you want to massage your scalp, you can use this shampoo brush to do that. It kind of just stimulates the scalp to promote hair growth and to give your scalp a very great massage. It gets all the way in. It does the job. It is a very great product to have in your collection when you starting your starter lock journey. And also I'm going to show you how to use it also as a shampoo brush. So whenever you shampooing your hair, just your natural hair, and it's not any locks or anything, or if it's some locks, you can use it as well. This is the shampoo that came from the Dollar Tree as well, and it is so good. It smells so good. And that's also some conditioner that we also picked up, and also some leave-in conditioner that we picked up. All these three products works great, and it leaves your hair so soft. So I'm just showing you again how that's looking. That's just some conditioner that I put in his head when washing his hair. After washing his hair, I put that in there. And I also got this wide teeth comb at the Dollar Tree as well. And you can use this for detangling the natural hair. These are some butterfly clips that I also found at the Dollar Tree. And you can use that just to get hair out the way whenever you starting your starter light journey. And I'm just showing you how you can use that. Also, we picked up some variety pack of combs that you can use, and some gel. If you like doing some two-strand twists on your natural hair, you can also use that type of gel if you like. And of course, last but not least is a spray bottle to keep your hair mist.